Hey there, future empire builders. Welcome back to Kingdom Cash, where we turn your wildest money-making dreams into cold, hard reality. Today, we're diving into a game-changing opportunity that could have you raking in $800 a day. That's right, $800 every single day, using nothing but Google Translate and your own determination. Buckle up, because this ride to financial freedom is about to take off. Did you know that 62% of people worldwide prefer consuming content in their native language? With globalization on the rise, the demand for translation services has skyrocketed, creating a goldmine of opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs like you. Imagine making up to $800 a day using just Google Translate. Stick around and we'll show you how to turn this simple tool into a powerful income generator. Step 1. Setting up your translation empire. First things first, you need to create your digital headquarters. Head over to Fiverr, Upwork, or even better, set up your own website. Why? Because you're not just a translator, you're a brand. A money-making, client-attracting, translation-dominating brand. Pro tip: name your business something catchy like LinguaLoot or Translate to Riches. People love a good pun, and it'll stick in their minds when they need translation services. Step 2. Mastering Google Translate. Now here's where the magic happens. Google Translate is your new best friend, but we're not just copy-pasting here. Oh no, we're going to use it smart. 1. Input the text you need to translate. 2. Take the translation and run it back through in reverse. 3. Compare the original and the reverse translation. 4. Refine any discrepancies using your judgment and a bit of research. This method, my friends, can increase accuracy by up to 75%. And accuracy means happy clients, and happy clients mean more money in your pocket. Step 3. Niche down to cash up. Here's a secret the big translation firms don't want you to know. Specialization is where the big bucks are. Pick a niche and own it. Medical translations, legal documents, or even better, cryptocurrency white papers. The crypto market is booming, and they're always looking for translators who can speak their language, pun intended. Potential profits? Cryptocurrency white paper translations can net you anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per project. Do 2 of those a week, and you're already breaking that $800 a day mark. Step 4. The art of upselling. Now let's talk about turning those $100 jobs into $1,000 gold mines. How? Upselling, my friends. Offer package deals. Translation plus proofreading. Throw in some localization services. Heck, offer to create infographics in the target language. The sky's the limit. For example, a basic 1,000-word translation might go for $100. But add proofreading. That's $150. Localization? Now we're at $250. An infographic? Boom. $400 for a job that took you maybe 3 hours. That's the power of upselling. Step 5. Automation. Work smarter, not harder. Here's where we kick it into high gear. Set up a system that practically runs itself. 1. Use a tool like Zapier to automatically post your Fiverr gigs to social media. 2. Set up email templates for client communication. 3. Use project management tools like Trello to keep track of your jobs. With this system, you could be managing 10, 20, or even 30 projects at once. And remember, each of those projects is putting money in your pocket. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Step 6. Building your translation team. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, that's why you're going to build a team. Find hungry, talented individuals who want to learn the ropes. Train them in your methods. Now, you're not just a translator, you're a boss. Start with 1 or 2 team members. Pay them a fair rate, let's say $20 per hour. You charge the client $50 per hour. That's $30 profit for every hour your team works, and all you had to do was land the client and oversee the project. With a team of just 5 translators working 8 hours a day, that's $1,200 in pure profit. Step 7. Marketing your translation empire. All right, you've got the skills, you've got the team, now let's get those clients rolling in. 1. Use social media to showcase your expertise. Post daily translation tips, funny mistranslation stories, and anything to engage your audience. 2. Start a YouTube channel, just like this one, teaching basic translation skills. This positions you as an expert and drives clients to your business. 3. Partner with digital marketing agencies. They always need translation services for their clients' international campaigns. A solid marketing strategy can double or even triple your client base in just a few months. Step 8. Scaling to 6 figures and beyond. This is where it gets really exciting. Once you've got your systems in place, your team humming along, and a steady stream of clients, it's time to scale. 1. Expand into new language pairs. Each new language you offer potentially doubles your client base. 2. Offer 24/7 service by hiring translators in different time zones. This is huge for international clients. 3. Create digital products like ebooks or online courses, teaching your translation methods. This is passive income, baby. At this stage, you're not just making $800 a day. You're looking at $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a day. Now, I know this might seem overwhelming. You might be thinking, can I really do this? And my answer is a resounding yes. Everyone starts somewhere. I started with just $100 and a laptop. Now I'm running a 7-figure translation business. And I'm here to tell you, if I can do it, so can you. Remember, the global language services market isn't slowing down. It's growing every single day. And with the methods I've shared with you today, you're perfectly positioned to claim your piece of this multi-billion-dollar industry. So what are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Take that first step, set up your profile, land that first client. Trust me, a year from now, you'll be glad you had started today. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.